almost time for the Snoqualmie test. 57. I said I would record at 57. And there's the siren. God, will you hold the phone and record the siren for me?
Yeah, you want Grandma to record from Gaga's?
No, I want you to record on the grandma's phone. Exactly where it is. Okay, you have it. I'll just record it like that and I'll record it on your phone. Siren. Look at that. What time is it? Grandma, what time is it?
I don't know, baby.
Oh, God. It's 58. Oh, 2 more minutes.
Oh, there's a doggy.
Oh, shit.
Do you know?
No. Grandma, I need to record it from Dawn's phone, too.
I can't, honey. I'm holding my nose.
And I'm holding the phone. You're messing it up. You're messing it up.
I'll try. Come here. I'll try, honey. Here.
Try recording that video. Oh, it's been 1 minute. Is it 9 now? What time is it, Grandma?
Why are we already recording?
I don't know, because I was said I would put
I can't record. You're gonna have to record. I can't record the other.
I'm just going to have to record. We can just record on one phone. How are you doing that? Okay, just record the sirens. Record the sirens about to go off. Let's just use this as the time checker. It's 58,
2 more minutes.
59, 1 more minute. I'll be right back. I'll just record. I have to make sure I don't die.
No.
Look at your car.
That's a cool car.
It's 1 minute, which makes me really excited. I'm just scared how long. Recording exactly where it is.
Yeah.
59, 59, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Me, 11, 10, 12.
Excuse me, can you move over a little bit?
Yeah, we're trying to record this siren.
Oh, I just don't want to have
you're-
an accident.
Oh, you're good.
Come on, 12.
You won't hit me.
Yeah.